Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to find similar posts on VSCO. So, first of all, you want to open the VSCO application, so just click on the VSCO app. Then you want to go to find some posts. So let's say maybe I want to find similar posts to this one, and if you go to scroll down, you're going to find similar posts right here. And as you can see, these are pretty similar posts, and this photo is really nice to me, so I can go again and find some other similar posts on the bottom. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!